Hi, it's David McArthur. I'm the instructor for Wine Science 1. Here we are in Langley, British Columbia. It's May 8th. It's about 22, 23 degrees Celsius. Beautiful sunny day. Wish you were here. We're going to talk about wine, where it comes from.
When one enters a vineyard and tastes the wine from those grapes, they should think of the terroir, a major component of wine growing. Now, terroir is all about the direct and interacting effects of viticulture and geographical factors that together result in the unique characteristics of a wine from grapes grown at a given site. As an example of vineyard, consider Chabaton Estate Winery in Langley. This is within the BC VQA Fraser Valley geographical indication. Now, what are the viticulture factors to be concerned with here? Well, the grapevines have their shoots oriented vertically in a double guillot system. And also the plants themselves are in rows oriented north to south, which actually benefits the interception of light and reduces shading, especially in our northern climate. Now, the geographical factors, for example, climate. Now, this site has a cool maritime climate. The Pacific Ocean is only 40 kilometers away, and has 900 to 1200 growing degree days, which is a little short for some grape varieties, but okay for some of the early ripening grape varieties. The number of frost-free days in this period is quite long, actually. It's 290 days per year. Now, another geographical factor is soil type. The soils here are a silt clay loam, which means the soil doesn't drain quickly and tends to have both a medium to high water holding capacity and nutrient holding capacity. Now, another geographical factor, exposure. So this is, for example, considered the aspect for light and wind. This vineyard slopes to the south, and because of the slope and the aspect, it absorbs more light and tends to warm more quickly in the spring and stay warmer in the fall. Now, there are also some light offshore and onshore breezes, which help to dry the canopy and reduce disease pressure. One more geographical factor is topography. Now, this vineyard is 80 to 100 meters above sea level, and the Fraser Valley is a delta, which is a naturally fertile area, and with mountains 30 kilometers away, they don't have much of a major impact on the wine growing at all. So that is terroir for this area.
This is the grapevine, Gamay Noir. It's only about 7 years old. The trunk is not that big. The trunk here has a rootstock grafted to it down the base. Now, the rootstock again is for protection against the phylloxera, the root louse, which can cause problems and actually kill the plant. It also is a specific rootstock that's selected for this kind of soil here in Langley. It's a silty loam. It could be SO4, or it could be another similar sort of rootstock that's originated from North America. Now, this is a double guillot system. So we have two mother canes, one going to this way, to the right, one to my left. So when we're looking at the double guillot, on this one that goes to the right, we're looking at the mother cane that was produced in the previous growing season. And over the winter, it was pruned. It was limited in terms of how long it was and the number of buds that were left on to grow. Now, the buds are actually axillary buds or lateral buds that were in between the petiole of the leaf and the actual cane or the shoot from the previous growing season. So now we're looking at the shoot that's coming up. It's only about maybe 7 centimeters at most in length, maybe even less. And you can see the leaves that come out quite small. Now, this is coming from the leaf primordia. The leaf primordia itself are now elongating, and there's a little bit more cell division. They're going to get bigger. And also tucked in there, there's just a bit of the flower primordia or inflorescence, very small now, but in time, the cells will elongate, expand, and then there'll be new cell division, and we'll have the finish of the development of the flowers in the inflorescence of the grapevine. So we have maybe, how many vertical shoots do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. So 6 on each side. That's about 12 shoots that'll be coming up on this Gamay Noir. Now, the Gamay Noir, these shoots are quite small now. Like I said, they're only about 6 to 7 centimeters. And they're only partially developed, but they will grow up nice and strong vertically. It's called vertical shoot placement, and they'll be tucked into the wires up above so they don't swing around in the wind, and they will actually be better able to support the grapes as they get a little bit larger. We have a little bit of breeze coming even right now, to this vineyard, and it can happen during the growing season. You don't want the shoots banging around and the grapes being damaged, because if there's damage to the grapes, then botrytis or various fungal pathogens or bacterial will move in and cause problems. So that's where we are. Again, it's May 8th, quite a nice day, and we've got the growing season to look forward to. See where we are in maybe a couple of weeks. We'll be looking at the inflorescences having grown out properly, and the flowers maybe just beginning to open after another 3 weeks. So we'll see you then.